Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super cool project, building your very own mini drill machine. That's right, we're crafting a pint-sized powerhouse, perfect for all your DIY adventures. Get ready, because this is going to be fun and surprisingly easy. First things first, what exactly is a mini drill good for? Well, think small-scale projects, precision work, and getting into those tight spots where a regular drill just can't reach. Think model building, jewelry making, circuit board work, or even just adding a little flair to your crafts. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Now, let's gather our materials. You won't need anything crazy, I promise. We'll need a small DC motor. You can find these online or even salvage one from an old toy. Next up, a drill chuck. This is the part that holds the drill bits. You can find these at most hardware stores or online. Grab a few drill bits of different sizes, too, just to be prepared. Then, you'll need a power source. A 9 volts battery and a connector will do the trick, or a small power adapter if you prefer. We also need a switch to turn on mini drill on and off, some wires for making connections, and a suitable housing for the drill, such as a pen or a small plastic tube, to help stabilize the drill. Also, don't forget some glue or tape for securing everything together. And some basic tools like a screwdriver and a soldering iron, if you know how to solder. Alright, let's start building. First, attach the drill chuck to the motor shaft. This might involve a bit of finagling, depending on the chuck you have. But generally, it's a matter of tightening a small screw. Now, it's time to work on the housing. If using a pen, remove the insides, and make a hole at the tip to fit the drill bit. If using a plastic tube, you might have to secure the motor to the inside. Next up, connect the motor to the power source. Connect the switch in between so you can easily control it. It's usually pretty straightforward. Connect the positive wire from the motor to one side of the switch, and the other side of the switch to the positive terminal of the power source. Then, connect the negative wire from the motor to the negative terminal of the power source. Test it out. Does the motor spin when you flip the switch? If not, double check your connections. Once everything is connected, test out your mini drill. Insert a drill bit into the chuck, and give it a whirl. Be careful and take it slow, especially when working with harder materials. This mini drill is perfect for small jobs, but don't expect it to drill through concrete. When you're done, secure everything in place using glue or tape, ensuring your drill bit is straight and ready to work. And there you have it, a fully functional mini drill machine, built by you. Now you can create all sorts of cool projects that you've only dreamed of. Remember to always prioritize safety. Wear safety glasses, and work in a well-lit area. Happy drilling, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome DIY projects. Leave a comment below, and let me know what projects you're planning to tackle with your new mini drill. See you in the next video.